My hubby's making yuca. Let me show you the recipe. This is a childhood favorite of his. Peel your yuca and cut it into like 1-inch circles and then put it to cook and boil it for about 20 minutes or until fork tender. Then drain it, and now let's work on the sauce. We used a half a red pepper, half of a green pepper, half of the red onion, half of a lemon. We used a half a cup of olive oil and a 1/4 cup of water, a sprinkle of adobo, a sprinkle of oregano, and we put the vegetables in there for a couple of minutes to your desired tenderness. We heated on medium to low heat and used the same pan that the yuca cooked in. That's what that starch is on the pot that you see. We add a teaspoon of garlic and then add in your yuca and mix to combine. And oops, don't forget that squeeze of half of a lemon into your sauce. This makes a great side dish, similar to potatoes, but it's higher in fiber and has a little bit more bite. Tastes great in the sauce. Goes great with chicken or fish. I hope you love this recipe. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Take care till next time. Happy cooking.